Welcome back to Printer Panic Patrol. Today, I'm going to show you how to backup and restore your Ricoh machine's address book using the web image monitor. Create a folder on your computer where you'll save the backup file. It's always a good idea to keep your backups organized so you can find them easily when needed. Open a web browser and type in your printer's IP address. This will take you to the web image monitor, or WIM for short. Log in as the administrator. By default, the username is admin and the password is left blank. If this doesn't work, you may need to check with your IT department for updated credentials or contact your Ricoh support. Navigate to the address book settings. Click on Maintenance, then select Backup. Your browser will automatically download the backup file. Save this file in the folder you created earlier and keep it safe until you need it. Now let's move on to restoring your backup. This process is just as simple. Return to the address book settings and click on Maintenance again. This time, select Restore. Navigate to the backup file you saved earlier, select it, and click OK. The restoration process will begin. And once it's complete, you'll see a confirmation message saying, "Restoration was completed." Click OK to finalize. Backing up and restoring your Ricoh machine's address book is a breeze with the web image monitor. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Printer Panic Patrol for more Ricoh tips and troubleshooting guides. See you in the next video.